Hi everybody. Today I would like to share some important information about uh, professor, associate professor, and assistant professor jobs in various subjects. So before going to see the notification of the employment, I request you to subscribe my channel to get more and more updates from my channel and like my channel. And if you like it and share it many people to get more and more updates from my side. And I would like to share the most important useful information, the job aspirants in various fields of studies, uh, especially the university, uh, especially the university that I would like to show you now itself. It is about Assam University. In various subjects, you can just go through this website. You will get the data here in this particular information here. We can see that if you click this, we will get to know that online recruitment. If you click this online recruitment, you will get this particular information here, the application details and all. And you can, first of all, before going through register, new registration, you are advised to see that advertisement and also notification details like this. And this is actually when you browse internet from www.aus.ac.in, you will get these details here. And especially important dates are that last date for online submission of application form, application fee payment, and application forms PDF download also by 8th December 2020 by 5 p.m. And last date for submission of downloaded application form along with the enclosures 14th December 2020 5 p.m. And a non-refundable fee per 1,000 rupees, unreserved and OBC and EWS category. And for women and SC/ST category, no fee structure is there. Especially for SC/ST and women category, no need to pay anything. So for this, you can see that uh, www.aus.ac.in. You will get all the details. For the professor position, academic level 14, 1,44,000 to 2,18,200 salary is there. For associate professor, level 13A, 1,31,400 to 2,17,100. Assistant professor, level 10, 57,700 to 1,82,400. Here is actually what are the different subjects for the professor category. Agriculture engineering, one unreserved is there. It is open quota. And applied science and humanities, one unreserved. And Bengali, one SC category. Computer science and engineering, one unreserved. Economics, one post unreserved. English, one post ST category. And also ecology, environmental science, one unreserved post. Education, one unreserved, one SC, one OBC, education category. And Hindi, one SC category. Life science and bioinformatics, one SC category is there. SC, one position. Law in law subjects, one unreserved. Mathematics, one SC category. Mass communication, one ST category. And also, not only these subjects, Netaji Subhash Center has one OBC, one PWD, LV category is there. Political science, one OBC, one position for OBC, and Sanskrit, one EWS, and visual arts, one EWS. Women's Study Center, one OBC category. Professor positions are there. And in Deepu campus, geography, one unreserved, life science, bioinformatics, one unreserved, and political science, one OBC. And for associate professor, Silchar campus is there. That is about, assistant professor. I'll show you all this. Uh, Bengali 1 ST, Business Administration 1 ST category, Commerce 1 OBC position, and English 1 SC category is there. Ecology 1 OBC, Education 1 ST category, Electronics and Communication Engineering 1 unreserved, 1 OBC. Two positions are there. Foreign Language 1 SC category is there. Hospitality and Tourism Management 1 unreserved category are there. Life Science and Bioinformatics 1 OBC. Mathematics 1 ST category. Mass Communication 1 unreserved category is there. And for Sanskrit and Sociology 1 unreserved. And Associate Professor Geography is there 1 unreserved. Assistant Professor Silchar Agriculture Engineering 2 OBC. And Applied Science and Humanities 1 ST category is there. So like that, you will have Assistant Professor category in Silchar campus, Computer Science 1 SC category, and Computer Science and Engineering 1 EWS, Economics 1 OBC, Earth Science 1 SC, Hindi 1 unreserved, History 1 OBC and 1 EWS, Hospitality and Tourism Management 1 unreserved. Like this, you will have Law and Urdu, Social Work 1 OBC, Urdu 1 PWD category, and Hearing Visual Arts 1 AC category. So these are all the instructions. You can go through that before registering your details. Just by browsing the internet www.aus.ac.in. So we can get all the details like this. If you click on this one, new registration, you see that I'll show you live demo of new registration here. New registration, and here in this new registration process, you have to write your email ID and confirm mail ID, password, confirm password, and also your name, your mid name, last name, and date of birth, and also gender, and father's name, mother's name, and phone numbers. And after that, you have to give this sign up details here. After that, you have to fill the remaining rest of the application process. So like this, if you, because there are so many subjects are there, but of course, number of posts are a bit less in number, so that related category, related subject people can apply online. And there is a requirement of PhD in the certain subject, in the concerned subject. And also, if you have NET or SET, it will be added advantage. I have mentioned that in the notification, either PhD or NET or SET. Like that, they have given. PhD people will get 30 points more than the people who got NET and SET. That will be added advantage. So that you can utilize this opportunity. You apply for that and try to secure a job in government university, Assam University. It's a permanent post, not a temporary one. So they try to achieve it by applying this particular position in Assam University.